Dirt and sand are very common in well water, and they can clog pipes and affect water pressure. The best solution is to install a high-micron sediment filter to trap these impurities. But which one do you choose among various sediment filters available in the market? That's why we spent weeks researching and testing to come up with this list of 3 best sediment filters that remove all dirt and are easy to maintain. As always, you'll get links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Our first pick is the SimPure DC5P Spin-Down Sediment Filter. It is a mechanical filter that removes debris, rust, sediment, and sand. It is designed to be washable and reusable, offering a convenient solution that reduces the workload of other multi-stage filters. The filter has a micron rating of 40 microns and comes with a 200 micron complementary filter for well water impurities. It has a flow rate of 13 to 17 gallons per minute, making it suitable for homes with 4 to 6 bathrooms. It can withstand pressure over 725 psi and is highly resistant to the impacts of water hammering. It is BPA-free, too. Installing a SimPure filter is a straightforward task. Shut off the water supply to your home and drain the system. Then, remove the old filter housing and connect the new one to the water line using the provided fittings. Make sure all connections are secure and tight. After that, turn on the water supply and check for any leaks. The manufacturer recommends backwashing the filter every 15 to 30 days. To self-clean the system, open the drain valve of the spin-down filter for at least 30 seconds. Additionally, the filter should be manually cleaned every 3 to 6 months. The filter comes with a 1-year warranty, but you also have the option to extend it for added peace of mind. It provides fast customer support through phone and email. You also have the option to utilize the live chat feature on their website. Coming to its cons, some users had issues with leaking which were resolved by applying more plumber's tape. Overall, if you want an affordable sediment filter with easy maintenance and high-quality materials, the SimPure DC5P Spin-Down Sediment Filter is ideal. Our next pick is the Waterdrop Spin-Down Sediment Filter. It is a 50-micron rated filter that removes harmful particles from the water, such as debris, rust, sediment, and sand. When the unfiltered water from the inlet passes through the filter mesh's inner core, larger particles are trapped on the outer surface, while the filtered water flows through the outlet to the rear stage pipe. It has a flow rate of 20 gallons per minute, which is sufficient for larger homes with a high water usage. It has a working pressure of 14.5 to 72 psi. This means it can effectively filter water within this pressure range without significantly affecting water flow or pressure. It's completely BPA-free. Installing a Waterdrop filter is a simple task. The system includes 4 thread fittings of various sizes, so you can install it immediately. The filter mesh should be flushed when sticky impurities become lodged in the mesh and cannot be removed by opening the drain valve, as it affects both the water flow and pressure of connected equipment. The filter should be flushed every 15 to 30 days for city water and weekly for well water with high sediments. The transparent, high-strength filter housing enables you to monitor the filter's performance at any time, making it easy to observe the system's maintenance and flushing process. The filter comes with a 30-day money-back satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty, backed by lifetime technical support. It provides 24/7 customer support, answering all your queries as soon as possible. Coming to its cons, the filter doesn't handle a high sediment level very well. If your water has a lot of sand or rust, you'll need to clean it often, which can lower the water pressure. Overall, if you want a high-quality installation kit and want to handle low to medium levels of sediment in water, you can choose the Waterdrop Spin-Down filter. Lastly, we have SpringWell 5-micron sediment filter. It is a 5-micron sediment filter designed to remove larger contaminants and sediments from your water. It is available in 2 sizes, a 10-inch model with a flow rate of 20 gallons per minute and a 20-inch model with a flow rate of 35 gallons per minute. It has a water pressure of up to 100 to 120 psi. This means it can effectively filter water in areas with high water pressure without being damaged. The installation can be done DIY provided you have basic skills. Turn off the water supply and set the tanks to bypass mode. Release any remaining water pressure by running the faucets. Carefully remove the old filter and clean the area. Lubricate the new gasket for a secure seal, then install the new filter. As for maintenance, you should replace the filter every 6 months, or earlier if you notice it's becoming clogged. The cost of replacement filters is a pack of 2 for $40. The filter comes with a lifetime warranty on any manufacturing defects and a 6-month money-back guarantee to ensure customer satisfaction. It provides excellent customer service to assist with any questions you may have. You can reach out to them through email, phone, or live chat options on their website. Coming to its cons, if it traps large chunks of sediment, it may clog up much earlier than its intended 6-month lifespan, requiring more frequent replacement. Overall, if you want an affordable filter that traps larger sediments with a lifetime warranty, the SpringWell sediment filter can be ideal for you. So there you have it, our top 3 picks for the best sediment filters for well water. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll respond. And for the top 3 well water filtration systems in 2024 to get rid of iron and sulfur, check out this video next.